Bonjour, my friends. Today we're going to learn how to speak French because I'm tired. I'm tired of leaving my house and not knowing what people are saying to me or what they like. I can't even order food at a restaurant, guys. I can't even go and buy bread. Also, there's so many types of bread, like who knew? Anyway, today we're gonna be learning how to speak French with Duolingo. Duolingo, whatever that app. It's almost like a game. It's like Candy Crush, right? So you have 5 lives, and every time you get something wrong, you lose a life. So if you lose all your lives, then you're done for the day, basically. And they have levels and different topics and all of that. So in the beginning, they tell you to choose whether you want it for travel or for like work or whatever, and you choose according to what you want. So yeah, sometimes I'll be playing and I'll be like, guys, where, like, there's a level where the basics, level 1, will be telling you what's a cat, what's a dog, and all of that. And that's nice, that's very nice to know. But like, who am I gonna go talk to a cat and a dog about? Like, how do I use that in a normal conversation, like in real life? I don't think I can. So that's the only thing. But otherwise, it looks like the levels actually keep going. Like, I just want to get to this restaurant. Then like my goal at the end of this, can I say, week? Yeah, my goal at the end of this week is to be able to order my own food in French in a restaurant. That's my goal. I'll let you know if I get my goal. I want to do greetings. Let's do greetings because
Si.
Salut.
Salut. Ça va très bien.
Ça va très bien. Come on now. Ah, this is a lie. This is a lie. You heard me say it. You heard. This is a lie. It's fine.
Ça va bien, merci.
Ça va bien, merci means I am fine. Thank you. Oh, I am doing well. Good evening, Paul. Good evening. I think it's bonne année. No, bonsoir. Well, bonsoir. Okay.
Ça va très bien. Et toi?
Ça va très bien. Ça va très bien. Et toi. Yay. Oh, it's a with a T. Same thing. Yes, and you, et, oui, et toi.
Bonsoir, Paul.
Bonsoir, Paul. Hey, going back on the streak, hey? 5 in a row.
Merci.
Who's a French speaker?
Merci.
Okay.
Salut Marie,
They also
comment
make
ça
you
va?
spell things, guys.
Salut Marie, comment ça va?
Salut, Marie. Comment ça va? Ooh. Yeah, we're done. I feel like I'm not struggling to learn the vocab and spelling and all of that. But the pronunciation is also not too bad because of the Portuguese. So the a and the all of the ça va and everything is not easy, but it's relatively easier than it would have been if I was coming from an English only background. So yeah, it's actually okay. But speaking, guys. Now how can I put my own sentences together? How do I put my own sentences together, guys? I'll be imagining, like I'll be having scenarios in my head about what people could ask me and how I would reply. And you know what words come to me? Portuguese words will come at me, Zulu words will come at me, Afrikaans words will come at me, guys. I haven't said a word of Afrikaans since matric, guys. When I needed the Afrikaans words, they were not appearing. Now that I don't need them, they want to come. Guys, no, that's not right. So next up, I think we should do people, because if for me to advance onto like the next 3 stages, I need to get to level 1 of everything. So I'm gonna do people and use my last 3 hearts, because have I ever done this? I don't know. I've only done 1 level. Okay, but we'll see.
Tu habites à New York?
You see, this is why I didn't want to do this thing.
Tu habites à New York?
Hey. Okay, do you live in New York? Do you live in New York? See, I know what the words mean, but like,
J'étudie à Berlin.
Are you staying in? No, I live in Berlin. Or I'm studying in Berlin. Yes, étudie is studying. I don't know if I pronounced that correctly.
J'étudie à Berlin.
Okay, je is I. Okay, I am studying in Berlin. Ooh.
Oui, j'étudie à Paris.
Oui.
J'étudie.
Je étudie à Paris.
Paris. J'habite à Paris.
I live in Paris. I live in Paris. Oh, we're doing well, eh?
J'ai.
Select the correct translation. I am studying. J'étudie.
Dis.
Who?
Dis.
You see, it's confusing stuff. Now you're telling me about D. Me, I know D from Afrikaans.
Dis.
Oh, it's the same thing. I study a lot. Je te dis beaucoup is thank you. So no. Ah! What do you mean? But you say merci beaucoup. Thank you very. Oh, the beaucoup is just a lot. Okay.
Tu habites à New York?
Tu habites à New York? I feel like I tricked him with that one, eh? J'habite. No. I live. She lives. Alright. Okay, back to the I study a lot. 5 in a row. I still have 2 lives left, guys. But no shame, that's it for the day, hey? I'll keep learning French. I know French is a language that a lot of people really like and a lot of people want to speak. So if you wanna learn, I would really say like use this app. Even if you want to learn Spanish or something, or Portuguese even, go ahead and download the app. It's proper. Yeah, it's proper, it's fun, it's more like a game than anything else. Hopefully by the end of the week I'll be able to like actually say something. Like, I actually need to know, am I the only one who will like know how to say things in different languages but hesitate to say them because of a lack of confidence? Like, I know how to say hi, how are you, but ew, for the words to come out, I sweat, I feel hot before I can say it. So yeah, let me know actually if I'm the only one. That's it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed learning French with me. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe. We're on the road to 800 still as I film this, so yeah, make sure you click that subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video, which might be another vlog. I'm not sure, I think it is going to be another vlog, and I really want to learn how to paddleboard, so hopefully I can get that done. But yeah, I'll see you guys next time.